give a fuck. So, all right, sweet, let's do it. What up, fellas? So just kind of touching back on what we had spoke on yesterday in the live, and if you didn't catch the live, I recorded it and uploaded it on YouTube. What did we do? Right. Well, obviously, the first step in what we had gone over yesterday was the Monday range, right? And how we can kind of pair yesterday's daily close with the 6 hour to find, either one entries or two, just, our higher probability trades on the week. Because we knew we were going to come down and sweep out these lows. And in my opinion, I still think we're going to push lower. Right? I don't think there's any reason for us to catch some sort of bullish bounce off of here, right? We're holding bearish structure. The Monday range is showing us the continuation fractal. It's not showing us the reversal fractal or the reversal model, right? How can I identify that? Well, again, Monday high, Monday low, right? And the context of this move through the Monday low is that we gapped through. Again, if you didn't watch yesterday's video, make sure you go back and do so because I gave this exact plan. I said the context of this move is that we gapped through the Monday low. We didn't sweep and fail off of it, right? And then all I said was going into that new daily candle, right? If you were in the live, if you watched yesterday's YouTube video, if not, go back and do so. All I said was if we swing off of these lows, back up into that gap, the underside retest of the Monday low, right, where we got the displacement, right, well then take your swing shorts back down. And that was yesterday at what, 11, 12, or 3:30 whenever we did the live, right? And you can see where we're at here, right? It's not random. We're not predicting. We're literally just looking at what price has told us, right? How do I know that we're going to continue down off of that, right? Because we gapped through Monday low, right? Where's last week? Literally, let me go to the daily. But literally the same thing. It's literally the same exact repeat fractal of last week. Monday, Tuesday fails, Wednesday gaps. Monday, Tuesday fails, Wednesday gaps. I mean, guys, it's literally the same exact candlesticks. The same exact things. So, I mean, that's really it, right? I'm not going to sit here and go to the lower time frame today and be like, yup, guys, try and take longs off of here or whatever. It's like, we're bearish. We're dumping off. I'm not going to try and get caught catching a reversal today. That's just not going to happen, right? It's a Wednesday. The probability of us just continuing to sell off today is much higher than us, seeing some sort of pullback to the EQ of this range, right? That's not going to happen in my opinion. We could see a nice suction close, right? If you wanted to trade the last 90-minute candle of this current 6 hour, which would be when? 12:30, so an hour and a half from now. Right, well then you could potentially look to catch just the close. Because remember, the candle did what? Open, high, low, right? And then all we would want to see is this kind of suck, absorb, and then leave behind a wick, and then you would just be catching the close, right? The lower time frame has no hold over me anymore. Dude, the low time frame is where you catch your sniper scalp entries, right? Like, I love the low time frame. I'm a demon on the low time frame. That's what I know. That's what I've done forever. But if you get fucked up on the 1, the 3, the 5, whatever, stay on the 90, stay on the 6. Use the 23-minute or the 15 for your confirmation of entry, right? Switch up your entry model or your entry trigger. But in terms of the high time frame, it doesn't get cleaner than this. Right? It just doesn't. Sure, crypto's bearish, it's ugly, we're selling off, blah, blah, blah. But it's clean, right? Clear displacement, clear absorption, clear structure. It's like we couldn't really ask for much else more right now. So yeah, that's kind of what I'm looking at right now. Again, I am short bias. I have a very bearish bias on the week. And again, that was given out yesterday as to why. And for some of you guys that are just kind of hopping in here now, if you didn't already, make sure you go back to yesterday's YouTube video. I'll ping it right here. It's under Learn Strategy. Go back after this recording. Or after this live, watch that, and then if you didn't, I recorded this as well. I want you to watch that one first, watch this one after, right? So you can kind of see how I go about pairing time and price levels for these swing trades, right? And obviously, I didn't take that. That was 6:30 in the morning. I was freaking sleeping. But some of you guys that are in other time zones or potentially limits set, whatever, it's super, super clear. Does anybody have questions about anything? But For those of you that are just watching the recording, if you're not already in the Discord, we're live in there basically every day. Tap in, and I will see you there. First link in my bio.